What happens inside a factory after gray Brahman bulls arrive? How are their premium hides transformed into luxury
Body condition score is excellent. Tag scanned correctly?
Yes, cross-referencing the database now.
Easy now, keep moving straight ahead.
That's it, up the ramp smoothly.
Scan complete. All parameters are optimal. Confirmed. This one is certified premium.
The thickness on the flank is good. Okay, log that. The grain looks consistent here.
This is a perfect match for the 20 to 25 centimeter section. And this curve aligns with the master sample.
This precision hydraulic stretching machine slowly removes the natural wrinkles, creating a perfectly smooth and uniform leather surface.
See the consistency here near the edge? Ah, yes, absolutely prime grade.
Ensure the alignment is exact here. Yes, the grain matching is crucial for the final look.
The grey Brahman hide demands a meticulous hand, ensuring this mirror gloss finish lasts a lifetime.
Look at how the light catches the polish on these horn accessories.
And the stitching on the handbags is flawless. This collection is impressive.
We need this one flush against the edge for the wrapping machine. Got it. Right here.
Here are the certificates for the Grey Brahmin shipment, officer. The quality documents are all attached.
Thank you. Let's verify the seals.
Yes.
Everything is in order. Approved for dispatch.
The Grey Brahmin luxury goods are meticulously loaded, utilizing state-of-the-art logistics for express global delivery.
Simply stunning work, isn't it?
Yes, the quality is evident in every stitch.
The Grey Brahmin leather has this incredible depth, doesn't it?
It's exquisite. The craftsmanship is truly something else.
And the horn on these loafers is hand-polished to match the belt.
The Grey Brahmin leather is incredibly resilient yet supple. Notice the unique grain.
It is beautiful. The craftsmanship on this horn piece is exquisite.
Thank you so much for your purchase today, sir. Here is your receipt. It's beautiful. I appreciate the service. Your luxury delivery from Brahmin Bull, madam.
Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, look at this texture. It is absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship is incredible. The stitching on this Grey Brahmin leather is exquisite. Yeah. And look at the luster on this horn. It's stunning.
The texture of this Grey Brahmin leather is remarkable.
And the polished horn accessories complement it perfectly.
We can guarantee the shipment volume you require by Q3. Excellent. We are very pleased with the quality. Let's finalize this.
Okay, let's bring the camera slightly lower.
Perfect. Hold it right there. Look at the texture on that bag.
The texture on this Grey Brahmin leather is exceptional.
And the polished horn details elevate it entirely. We are very pleased with the turnout.
Manifest and seals confirmed. You are clear to exit.
Thank you, sir. Drive safely.
The texture of the Grey Brahmin leather is quite unique.
It's stunning. The horn detail is exquisite.
The craftsmanship on this horn handle is exquisite.
Rapido.
And the leather quality is simply unmatched.
The craftsmanship is truly remarkable. Look at the detail on this horn inlay. Yeah.
It's stunning. The leather feels incredible.
The texture on this duffel is incredible. Is this the Brahmin hide?
Yes, top grain. It takes the dye beautifully.
Are the projections for the Southeast Asia market accurate?
Yes, the leather order is confirmed and ready for shipment.
Excellent. Proceed with the logistics. The texture and finish are exquisite.
It truly is a work of art. The quality is unmatched. From the tranquil ranch at Golden Hour to the hands of master artisans. A journey of luxury.